The Macedonian Massacre of the Persian Envoys, 513 BCE, a story from Herodotus Histories. In the early 5th century BCE, the mighty Persian Empire, under King Darius I, sought to expand its influence into Europe. Their general, Megabazus, had already subdued Thrace and the Paeonians. Now his sights were set on Macedonia, a small but ambitious kingdom ruled by King Amyntas I. To secure Macedonian submission, Megabazus sent 7 high-ranking Persian envoys to demand a symbolic tribute, earth and water, a sign of total obedience to Persia. But what happened next was an act of defiance, treachery, and bloodshed, an event that would be remembered in the annals of history. The Persian emissaries arrived at the Macedonian court, adorned in the lavish garments of the Achaemenid Empire. Their leader stood before King Amyntas and spoke with authority. The Persian envoy said, "King Amyntas, we come in the name of the great king, Darius I of Persia. You will offer earth and water as a sign of your loyalty, or face the wrath of our armies." Amyntas understood the might of Persia. To refuse would mean war, and Macedonia was not ready. Reluctantly, he agreed. "Persian lords, I accept your terms. You will have earth and water." To celebrate this new alliance, Amyntas hosted a grand banquet in their honor. Wine flowed freely as Macedonians and Persians feasted. But soon the Persian guests made an unusual request. The Persian envoy said, "King Amyntas, in Persia, it is our custom to be accompanied by women at feasts. Bring your wives and daughters to sit beside us." Amyntas hesitated. In Macedonia, it was not customary for noble women to dine with men in such a setting, but he feared offending his powerful guests. Amyntas said, "Persians, this is not our way, but you are our honored guests. It shall be as you wish." The Persian nobles, now drunk, began to act with arrogance. They laughed loudly, touched the women without restraint, and pulled them closer. King Amyntas, though furious, remained silent. He feared provoking the empire. But one man did not share his restraint, his son, Prince Alexander. Alexander turned to Amyntas and said, "Father, leave these guests to me. You are tired. Rest for the night. I will ensure they are well taken care of." Amyntas saw the fire in his son's eyes. He understood, but he also feared what Alexander might do. Still, he chose to leave. Alexander turned to the drunken Persians. He smiled, speaking smoothly. "Lords, you have been given food, drink, and company. But now our women must freshen up. Allow them to leave for a moment, and they will return even more beautiful." The Persians, in their drunken arrogance, agreed, but the women never returned. Instead, Alexander gathered his most loyal warriors. They dressed in the fine robes of noblewomen, hiding daggers beneath their silk. Alexander led them back into the hall. Alexander, calm but deadly serious, said, "Persian lords, Macedonia offers you its finest. Enjoy." Before the Persians realized the trick, it was too late. Every single envoy was slaughtered. Their guards outside the palace, eliminated. Their caravan, destroyed. Not a single Persian soul escaped. Morning came. Word of the missing envoys reached Persian officials. A Persian commander, Bubares, was sent to investigate. But Alexander was prepared. "My lord Bubares, the envoys left in peace. Their disappearance is a mystery even to us. But let us not speak of war. Instead, let us strengthen the bond between our peoples." With this, Alexander offered his own sister, Gygaea, in marriage to Bubares. Along with her came vast sums of silver. The investigation quietly disappeared. Persia never learned the truth. This act of bold defiance by Alexander I helped secure Macedonian independence for a time. Years later, Alexander would go on to serve as a Persian vassal, only to later support the Peloponnesian resistance against Persia. His cunning and ruthlessness would foreshadow the future of his bloodline. For decades later, another Macedonian named Alexander, his descendant, would rise, and he would not merely deceive Persia, he would conquer it.